Hi, I am York. I am the service manager here at Test Equipment Depot, and I'm here to show you the Elenco MX907. This is a 201 electronics project lab. With this, you can learn about transistors, transformers, diodes, capacitors, basic electronic circuits, and even oscilloscopes. With this, you can build your own radio, you can build an AM broadcast station, a burglar alarm, electronic games, ohmmeter, telegraph, ray detector, sound effects, and more. This includes a built-in speaker, earphone, meters, 7-segment LED display, and front panel controls. This is recommended for ages 10 and up, and it requires 6 AA batteries. Thank you for watching. I am York with Test Equipment Depot.